everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute bag. I use 6mm hook and multicolor acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn and make chains. I made 20 chains in here like this. Take these chains I show, pull up yarn, make 1, 2 more chains. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together and make single crochet. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together and make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch for first row. I made 1 single crochet in every stitch. In here, make 1 single crochet in last stitch like this. Now we have 1 single crochet in 1 chain. In last stitch in here, go to same stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 more single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, go to same stitch, make 1 more single crochet. In total in this chain we have 1, 2, 3 single crochet stitches. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for this row. In last stitch we have 1 single crochet. In here, go to same stitch, in last stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 more single crochet. With this stitch we have 3 stitches in here and a slip stitch. Make a chain, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch without increase and decrease like this. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Go to this stitch, make one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, and continue. I made these rows, make one single crochet in every stitch. Make 10 chains in here. Make 10 chains in this side. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches. Go to next stitch. Make single crochet. Make one single crochet in every stitch. In here, go to these chains and make single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, make 15 single crochet strap and go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Go to these chains and make same as before chains, make single crochet stitches. Continue like this, make one single crochet in each stitch for other rows, like this. One single crochet in every stitch. A slip stitch.